Struggling to move your precious Ethereum from Polygon to another MetaMask wallet? Don't sweat it, this video will untangle that crypto knot in under 90 seconds. First, make sure you have both the Polygon and Ethereum networks configured in your MetaMask wallet. If not, open MetaMask, click the network drop-down menu at the top, and if Polygon isn't listed, click a network search for Polygon Mainnet and do the same to ensure you have the Ethereum Mainnet as well. Next, you'll need to use a bridge to transfer your Ethereum. A popular option is the official Polygon Bridge. Go to Wallet Polygon to Poly Bridge. Connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking Connect to a wallet. Select MetaMask. Now, in the bridge interface, ensure you're transferring from Polygon to Ethereum. Select Ethereum as the asset you want to transfer. Carefully enter the recipient MetaMask wallet address where you want to receive the Ethereum. Double and triple check this address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, and click Transfer. MetaMask will pop up, prompting you to confirm the transaction on the Polygon network. Review the transaction details, especially the gas fees, and confirm. Remember, Polygon gas fees are typically low. The bridge will now process your transaction. This can take some time, depending on network congestion. The bridge interface will display the estimated time for the transfer to complete. Be patient. Once the transfer is complete, switch your MetaMask network to the Ethereum Mainnet. You should now see the transferred Ethereum in your recipient MetaMask wallet. If you don't see it immediately, give it a few more minutes and refresh your wallet, and that's it. You've successfully bridged your Ethereum from Polygon to another MetaMask wallet. Remember, always double check those wallet addresses.